Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and today I'm going to show you how to do the Trollbeads 3-band puzzle ring, Strength, Courage and Wisdom. When this pops apart it can be a nightmare to get it back together, but I'll show you how to do it simply and easily and so that you can do it again and again. So if you do come to your jewellery box and you find it like this, don't worry. We just need to take a quick look at the rings. The middle one has 2 bumps, here and here, and the outer ones have a straight edge into a curve and then another curve. You see that straight edge, and this one is curved, and the other one is the same in the other direction. Now what we want to do is get this curve here to sit over the ring, so we're going to look for that curve and bring it into the corner of this bump just so that it's sitting over the ring like this, and we're going to do the same on the other side. There we go. So can you see I've got the straight bit here and the curved bit here. If it's not playing ball and you can't get the curve to sit in the right place, you can't get it to go over the ring, you need to move it around to the other side. This really flummoxed me when I first got the ring, and it's not obvious in the official instructions how to do that. So we've got one in each corner. Now all we're going to do is bring this right hand one towards us and the left hand one away from us, and it's done. It's as simple as that, and then you can wear your ring again. So if you've got one of these sitting in your jewellery box, you don't know how to put it back together, that's how you do it. Please let me know in the comments if this has helped you. Drop me a like, check out the channel and hit me up with a subscribe as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.